it's me here with my friend Cindy. I got my hair caught on hers. Hey, we're here in Washington, D.C. And, fighting the battles for you on housing. And one of the big issues today is flood insurance. You that are in the desert, you're sitting there laughing, going, flood insurance? Yeah, we got issues. Look at Dale Evans Parkway. Look at down on the lower part of the Mesa. And our friends up in the mountains of Big Bear that got hit with floods just this year because of all the heavy rain. But Cindy, you in Florida, what's going on there?
Well, Charlotte, we are at ground zero of the homes that were built prior to FEMA setting standards. But what most people don't realize is that all 50 states have floodplains. Last year, 49 claims were filed in 49 states, and the 50th one filed the first quarter of 2019. So really, we are all impacted by flood insurance. The NFIP, the National Flood Insurance Program, does expire May 31st. If that were to go away, 40,000 buyers and sellers a month could not close because we can't get a loan without that insurance.
Yeah.
So it's one more thing we're doing here to make sure that Congress puts it at the top of their list because it impacts everybody all across. I mean, from your area in California to my area in Florida and everywhere in between. The big issues.
What's the impact of all of that long term?
So it will actually mean different rates for a lot of people. The other thing that we've been doing in our area in Florida and other places around the country is encouraging better mapping. So imagine if you were going to take a cross-country trip and you had a map that was like when Christopher Columbus got here, right? And it doesn't have the streets. It doesn't have, imagine even doing it before Google, right? Like it's like we all rely on that. Well, here's the deal. FEMA is using 15-year-old maps and data. And so they're trying to navigate this risk challenge with really old information. I mean, how much has the world changed in 15 years? Woo. Just think about Google 15 years ago. Think about all the tools and access. So what we're saying is we need better information so that you, the consumer, are better protected, but also not overpaying, right? So that's the other thing.
Yes.
In a lot of areas, we're seeing that people were paying more than they should because the map just sort of glumped everybody together. So I do think this Risk 2.0, the best part is you're going to start to know what your risk is and be able to plan for that as a buyer and a seller. And so it is better data. It is coming. It'll get released in April of 2020, and it'll go into effect for all single-family homes in the United States by October 2020.
Fantastic. So here we are. We're in D.C. fighting for your property rights, supporting all of those issues for your benefit as well as ours. But just remember that we're all here as volunteers because we care about you, about our industry, and about protecting property rights that you may not even be aware of. So coming live with our market insights for June from Washington, D.C. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for being here, Cindy.
Thanks for being with me.